Good morning. It's the Ambassador 845 on Wednesday the 23rd, and a strong follow-through this morning in global markets. In fact, the MSCI World is continuing to move at its 2009 highs, and you see S&P futures ticking up higher too, taking us really into the top end of the range. What it means for emerging on a night when India was up 3.5% and China reiterated their commitment to very loose monetary policy in 2010. It's a very strong backdrop for the EM space today. Oil slightly higher, dollar slightly weaker. Actually had traded almost 30 bips weaker earlier today, coming back a hair. But again, going into year end, I continue to expect some flood of liquidity to come into the market and expectations that people are positioning for the first quarter of next year, where gem flows could take out their all-time highs. China up 76 bips, India up 3.23%, South Korea up 35 bips, and Taiwan up 60 bips. By the way, take a look at the high beta Asia basket that we've put on the site here. Gives you a way to play Taiwan. Into Central Europe, Russia, Czech, Poland, Hungary, all basically flat. Russia's clicking down slightly negative this morning, but again, the tone continues to be pretty decent, and seeing some pretty strong buying from local players. Into Brazil, where the market was up almost 2.25% yesterday. You've actually opened a little higher today as well. Chile opened 13 bips, and then into South Africa, where the market was flat, but the currency was very strong and continuing to show some movement back into those markets. Again, the key headlines really are that the global economy is better. Italy's consumer confidence the highest in 7 years, but China's reaffirmed moderately loose stance for 2010 policy. And finally, OPEC, who's meeting, mentioned yesterday that EM countries are more important than ever for their demand stories. So maybe some ingredients, maybe some headlines for oil to trade higher today. Watch those inventory numbers. That's it from here.